In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign copies of tasks in Asana. We'll walk through a simple way to share a task so multiple teammates stay in the loop and receive updates while keeping a single source of truth. In Asana, this is done by adding collaborators to a task. Think of collaborators as people who follow the task. They get notifications and can contribute without changing who's responsible as the assignee. Start by opening Asana and heading to your home view. This is your hub, and it's a quick way to orient yourself before you dive into your work. From the left-hand sidebar, click My Tasks. This brings up your personal task list, which is an easy place to find the item you want to share. If you prefer working from a project, that's fine too, but My Task keeps things focused on what's on your plate. Switch the view to List. The list view is compact and makes it simple to scan titles, due dates, and sections so you can quickly spot the task you want. Once you see the task, click it to open its details. The task pane will slide in, showing the description, assignee, due date, subtasks, and activity. Take a moment to confirm you've got the correct task, especially if you have similar names across your projects. Now, scroll to the bottom of the task pane to find the collaborators section. This is where you control who will receive updates about this task. Collaborators will be notified in their Asana inbox about new comments, attachments, status changes, and due date updates. Importantly, adding collaborators does not reassign the task. It simply ensures they're kept informed and can participate. Click the plus icon to add or remove collaborators. Start typing a teammate's name and select the correct person from the suggestions. You can repeat this to add as many collaborators as needed. If someone no longer needs updates, remove them here so they don't receive unnecessary notifications. After adding collaborators, it's helpful to leave a quick comment explaining what you need them to review or why they're being looped in. That context saves time and avoids back and forth. A couple of tips as you work. Collaborators will only get notifications based on their settings, so if someone says they didn't see an update, ask them to check their Asana inbox preferences. Keep all relevant files and links attached to the task so everything collaborators need is in one place. And if your workflow truly requires separate ownership or independent due dates for each person, consider creating task duplicates for them instead of relying on collaborators. That's it. Your task is now shared effectively, and your team is aligned without creating confusion about responsibility.